Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. How to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Navigate to the Calendar tab in the left sidebar. This is where you will set up your meetings. Once in the calendar, click on the New Meeting button. In the meeting window, write your meeting's title, then add the participants by typing their names or email address in the Add Participants field. Specify the date and time for your meeting. You can do this by selecting the calendar icon and choosing the desired date and time for your meeting. Add a subject to your meeting to give participants an overview of what to expect. Additionally, include an agenda in the description field to provide more details about the meeting. Once you have configured the meeting details, click on the Send button to send out the meeting invite. Participants will receive an email notification and see the meeting in their Teams calendar. Click on Meeting Options. Explore the meeting options to customize your meeting experience. You can toggle picture like and who can present to fit your needs. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. Graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.